Hey, what's up family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and this one I'm gonna go over Yeezy Gap and my initial thoughts on it. It's actually live when I'm recording this. I don't know when this is dropping, but I just want to talk about what I feel about the whole collection, what I believe is in store for Yeezy Gap in the future, because obviously they do have a venture now, so we can expect way more. That's honestly why I'm not super pressed to cop this shit, but I feel like I am gonna end up getting something. Pre-orders are literally still live right now, like I'm looking at it right here. But yeah man, help me beat the algorithm by leaving a like on this video and subscribing if you enjoy streetwear or sneaker related content, because that is what we do here. But let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So I guess I'm gonna work my way from the top of the list on the Yeezy Gap website all the way to the bottom, talking about what I feel about the collection in general. We do have this overwashed gray hoodie, which is at the top for a reason. This shit is beautiful. I love the way it looks. That almost tonal Gap branding on the front is definitely solid. I love the way that it's not too much going on. Simple on the front, then you got the dove on the back. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, the cut look a little bit weird, but I feel like I could pull it off. It just looks like an oversized hoodie, so I'd probably go for it in a size large. At least in my opinion, I normally wear a XL. This shit looks big as and it says oversized when you go check it out. These pieces are supposedly engineered by Balenciaga. They do have a lot of oversized shit over there. Priced at $240, I honestly feel like it's not that bad. I feel like it could have been worse. Could have also been a little better, like maybe 200 flat type beat. There's a couple tees that released. The long sleeve, the 3/4 sleeve, which basically have the doves on the back. Same shit as the hoodie. I believe one of these has a dove in black. That shit look kind of creepy. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. And if y'all see Kanye's Instagram, your man is on it again. These fits right here had me dying, bro. Honestly, I might have to do a slide on the fits on Nori Archives. These shits are OD. Like, bro, this is some Ninja Gaiden looking ass. Enemy on Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Why am I blanking on the name right now? Terrible. Head ass. Like, this shit look crazy, but the actual drop list isn't that bad. The tees with the dove on the back, definitely solid. Retail on those is like 120 or 140, which is still steep, but remember, this is engineered by Balenciaga, Yeezy and Gap collab. There's a lot going on, so I kind of understand everybody gotta eat type shit. The pieces look clean. They kind of look cropped though. I want to see what they look like in hand or in person, but we're gonna have to wait 4 to 8 weeks to even see these bitches. There's the one with the little emblem on it, which honestly I'm not that much of a fan of. That shit has a small ass Gap square right here. Nothing too special. Definitely not paying $140 for that shit. You got the sweatpants, which I don't even see no branding on them bitches, so I don't even think I'm paying whatever the fuck he's asking. Yeah, I don't think I'm paying that for these. Definitely not. When we got the hoodie, the tees, like there's too much going on. You got the padded denim jacket releasing at $440, which is honestly a little steep, but I am on the wait list right now. For this one, it is a wait list. I'm assuming there's only a limited quantity with the padded shit going on, but if I'm accepted into the wait list, I might cop this and forever this jacket. If it's as clean as it looks on the pictures in person, this would probably be a forever piece unless I just get past it. You know how shit change. There's also the denim that he dropped. Shit is alright, bro. I'm not even going, feel me, like they cool. They don't look that bad though. They look like an essential pair of denim. I want to see how they fit once again, but with these kind of things, you kind of gotta bite the bullet, buy it, and then see how it look. And if you don't like it, sell it. That's kind of how these things work. I honestly don't know if any of these pieces are gonna have resale, simply because there is a pre-order date, so you gotta wait 4 to 8 weeks before shit even arrives to you. Probably even longer, low-key, let's be realistic. But knowing that it's Yeezy Gap and the controversy behind that man's, shit might fuck around and have resale, so this might be a topic that we'll talk about further. I'm actually curious to know your opinions on Yeezy Gap. What do you rate this initial collection, I guess? Out of 10, I honestly would say it's like a 7.5, 8 out of 10. People probably gonna be dick riding to say it's a 10, but I do like different colors, maybe a little bit more variety. Hey, who am I to judge? The hoodie looks fire, and that's pretty much all that matters. So right now I'm literally looking at a couple pieces that I'm debating on buying. I don't know yet. Let me know if you guys picked up anything or are looking to pick up anything. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed. This is probably a quick ass video, and I do apologize for the little absence these past couple days. I kind of just been been chilling, trying to process some things and working on Nori archives. Low-key 3K on the way. We grinding on that side of things. But yeah, leave a like, subscribe for more content related to sneakers or streetwear. I'm about to start going crazy, I promise. Just stay tuned. Let me know what you would like to see on YouTube. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.